Hello, we are the Undecided Code and we are about to discuss the Arduino activity. And here are the member of Undecided Code. Jovan Sarmiento, Giovanni Dayo, Roland Ansao, Joseph Ken Pederizo.
Presented to Dr. Earl Marquez Elvina.
Here are the components of AP14. Infrared controlled light. Jumper cables times 5. Resistor 220R 1. 5mm LED 1. IR receiver diode 1.
Here's the source code of Arduino Project 14. Declaration. This section sets up all the variables and pins. It includes the necessary library, assigns digital pin 11 for the IR receiver, and creates objects to handle the receiver and store the decode signal. The setup function. This function runs once to prepare the Arduino. It starts serial communication so you can see the result on your computer, and then enables the IR receiver to start listening for signals. The loop function. This function runs repeatedly to handle the main task. It continuously checks if a valid IR signal is received. If a signal is detected, it prints the unique code to the serial monitor and then resets the receiver to prepare for the next signal.